Coming to silver. Now, what is the nisab of silver? If you have 612 grams of silver, you have to take out zakat on that silver. So understand, gold is part of savings or investments or however you have kept it. On silver, it's 612 grams. The international market approximately comes to $2.60 per gram for silver. So 612 grams. So if we have to take 1,000 grams of silver multiplied by $2.60 comes to 2,600 multiplied by 2.5%, which is $65 per annum, which you have to take out on the silver, rather for this year. So that's the value of gold. You can always go on Google, put their current value per gram gold, current value per gram silver, and that will tell you the international value of what it is. So it has been mentioned in the topic of zakat that we have to give zakat on gold, we have to give zakat on silver.